friends. My name is Vince Burlapp. The new Volvo EX90 is a large electric SUV that can seat up to 7 people. Just think about it. 7 people confined in a large box, driving around for hours. Even without screaming kids, it could become a very delicate and precarious situation. A river of violent thoughts towards passengers could flood the driver's mind within minutes. In real life, the X90 does seem a lot like a more modern and cleaner version of the old XC90. It looks very nice from every angle, and just like myself and older Volvo models, it will probably look good for many years. The interior looks and feels pretty fantastic everywhere you look. The seats are covered in what Volvo calls tailored wool blend, which looks and feels much better than the leather we see on everything these days. Sitting on dead animal skin always felt a bit medieval to me, and I would much rather rest my handsome carcass on a tailored wood blend. The rear seats look as comfortable as the front ones. The in-laws will not have the right to complain. These high-end speakers look very expensive, and they probably are. Of course, there's a large trunk, and all seats fold down, allowing for a well-deserved nap when the kids are gone, torturing the neighbor's dog, or running around the campground lighting tents on fire. A lot of people buy $80,000 cars these days. For those who don't mind making a $1,000 lease car payment, the Volvo X90 is probably a great choice. The interior is filled with real wood and metal finish.